name's Branden. I'm a first-class welder, and I work out on line 3, and we build deck barges. Everybody out there is on one crew, and you kind of do a little bit of everything. It's not repetitive. It's different every day. I've never touched a welder before I came here. I've never even watched somebody weld before I came here, and they had everything that I needed to get started and work. What attracted me to it was that I didn't have to pay for the training. They paid me, and I used their consumables, their equipment. There were some parts that were challenging, but you always have the opportunity to practice and better yourself. For somebody with no prior experience, the money I make is really good. I make more than most of the people I know that are going to school or are out of school with their current jobs. I can pay any bill that I would have or fill my gas tank or anything with ease. Anything that I've ever wanted, I can do at 19. There's always an opportunity to move up. When I first started, I was a Weld 3. It took me about 6 months, and I worked my way up to a Weld 1. When it's all said and done, you kind of have this sense of accomplishment. You look at that big barge, and it's like, I was a part of that. I am happy here. Made me more proud of myself than graduating. It's just a great place to be.